Good morning to Madam Mazani. Our group would like to present about Chapter 1, Matrix. Firstly, I want to introduce group member. First, Jackson Malaka, Joe Valenes, Luis Anna Anthony, and me, Johnny Ong. Okay, I would like to proceed to introduction. Matrix, a set of numbers arranged in rows and columns so as to form a rectangular array. The number are called the elements or entries of the matrix. Matrix have a wide application in engineering, physics, economics, and statistics, as well as various branches of mathematics. Matrix also have important application in computer graphics, where they have been used to represent rotation and other transformation of image. Row matrix, properties and element. First, any row matrix will have only one row. A row matrix can have numerous columns. Number 3, the number of entries in a row matrix is equal to the number of columns. Okay, next, a row matrix is also rectangular matrix and a horizontal matrix. The transpose of a row matrix is column matrix and vice versa. Any two row matrix can be added to subtracted if the order of both matrix is the same. The multiplication of a row matrix is possible only with a column matrix if and only if the number of rows in the column matrix is equal to the number of columns in the given row matrix. A singleton matrix is obtained when a row matrix and column matrix are multiplied. Element of a row matrix. The element of matrix are nothing but the components of matrix. They can be number, variable, or combination of both, or any special character. The number of elements of matrix is equal to the product of number of rows and number of columns in it. Let us learn more about elements of matrix along with more examples. First, bracket A, B, C. Second, 1, 2, 3.
Good morning, madam. I am Jackson Malaka. Today I'm gonna answer for question 1. The question is a shop sell two type of phones, iPhone and Samsung Galaxy Note. On a certain day, 5 iPhone and 2 Samsung Galaxy Note were sold. On the next day, an iPhone and a Samsung Galaxy Note were sold. Total sales for the 2 days were 28,500 and 7,500 respectively. Determine the price for an iPhone and a Samsung Galaxy Note respectively using the method of metric inversion. Okay. Step 1 is to determine the price of an iPhone and a Samsung Galaxy Note using the method of metric inversion. Follow these steps. Define the variables. Let X be the price for an iPhone and Y be the price for a Samsung Galaxy Note. Step 2. Set up the equation. From the given information, we can find on the first day 5 iPhone and 2 Samsung Galaxy Note were sold, totaling 28,500. On the second day, 1 iPhone and 1 Samsung Galaxy Note was sold, selling 7,500. So we put the equation 5x plus 2y equal to 28,500 and x plus y equal to 7,500. Step 3 is express the equation in metric form. We can write the system of equation in matrix form as ax equal to b, where we need to write in matrix form. A, first column is 5 and 1, and the second column is 2 and 1. x equal to x and y, and b equal to 28,500 and 7,500. Step 4. Express the equation in metric form. You can write the system of equation in metric form as a x equal to b, where a first column is 5 and 1, second column is 2 and 1. X equal to x and y, b equal to 28,500 and 7,500. We need to find the determinant for this equation. 5 multiply 1 minus 2 multiply 1, and the answer is 3. So next step, we need to do it in inversion method. A negative 1 equal to 1 over 3, and first column 1 negative 1, second column is 2 and negative 2 and 5. Next metric, 28,500 and 7,500. Next step, 1 over 3, 1 multiply 28,500 plus negative 2 multiply 7,500. Second row, negative 1 multiply 28,500 plus 5 multiply 7,500. X, y equal to 1 over 3 multiply 30,500 and 9,000. And the answer is 4,500 and 3,000. Therefore, the price of an iPhone is 4,500 and the price of a Samsung Galaxy Note is 3,000. Thank you. That's all for me. I will pass this to Louis.
Good morning to Madam. My name is Luis, and I want to solve question 1b. The question is 4x plus 5y negative 2z equal negative 14. And the second, 7x minus y plus 2z equal 42. And the third, 3x plus y plus 4z equal 20x. Step 1 is transform to metric forms. First column is 4, 7, 3, and the second column is 5, negative 1, 1, and the third column is negative 2, 2, and 4. The next column is x, y, z equal negative 14, 42, 28. And the delta is in matrix is 4, 7, 3, and the second column is 5, negative 1, 1, and the third column is negative 2, 2, and 4. And solve is 4 multiply negative 4 minus 2, negative 5 multiply 28 minus 6, and negative 2 multiply 7 minus negative 3, and the answer is negative 154. Step 2 is delta x. In a metric form is first column is negative 14, 42, 28, 5, negative 1, 1, and the third column is negative 2, 2, and 4. And in the solve is negative 14 multiply negative 4 minus 2, negative 5 multiply 168 minus 56, and the last negative 2 multiply 42 negative minus 28, and the answer is negative 616. And lastly, delta y in a metric form. First column is 4, 7, 3, and the third column is negative 14, 42, 28, and the third column is negative 2, 2, and 4. The solve is 4 multiply 168 minus 56 plus 14 multiply 28 minus 6 and negative 2 multiply 196 minus 126, and the answer is 616. Next, the last is negative delta z. In matrix form is first column is 4, 7, and 3, and the second column is 5, negative 1, 1, and the third column is negative 14, 42, 28. In the solve is 4 multiply negative 28 minus 42, negative 5 multiply 196 minus 126 minus 14 multiply 7 minus negative 3, and the answer is 217. And last step is find x, y, and z. First, x. Delta x over delta equal negative 616 over negative 154 equal 4. Next is y. Delta y over delta equal 616 over negative 154 equal negative 4. And the last z. Delta z over delta equal negative 770 over negative 154 equal 5. And the final answer is x equal 4, y equal negative 4, and z equal 5. That's all from me, and I want to pass to Joel.
Good morning to Madam Azani. So my name is Joel Villanes. So I will answer the question number 1C. So prove the following law of matrix. So AB transpose equal to B transpose A transpose. So first step is let A in bracket first row negative 2, 1. Second row is 4, 3, and B in bracket first row is 2, 3, and second row is 1 and 2. So equation 1 is AB equal to matrix A, negative 2, 1, 4, and 3. Matrix B is 2, 3, 1, 2. AB equal to negative 2 multiply 2 plus 4 multiply 3, and negative 2 multiply 1 plus 4 multiply 2, and 1 multiply 2 plus 3 multiply 3, and 1 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 2. Third step is negative 4 plus 12, negative 2 plus 8, 2 plus 9, and 1 plus 6. Fourth step is, then the answer is first row is 8, 11, second row is 6 and 7. Next step is transpose. AB transpose, first row is 8 and 6, second row is 11 and 7. Equation 2 is A equal to first row negative 2, 1, second row is 4 and 3. A transpose negative 2, 4, 1 and 3. So matrix B, first row is 2 and 3, second row is 1 and 2. B transpose is first row is 2 and 3, second row is 1 and 2. So go to B transpose and A transpose, B transpose in metric form and A transpose in metric form. So 2 multiply negative 2 plus 3 multiply 4, 1 multiply negative 2 plus 2 multiply 4, 2 multiply 1 plus 3 multiply 3, 1 multiply 1 plus 2 multiply 3. Next is negative 4 plus 12, negative 2 plus 8, 2 plus 9 and 1 plus 6. So the answer is for B transpose and A transpose is first row is 8 and 6, second row is 11 and 7. So from equation 1 and 2 we have AB transpose equal to B transpose and A transpose proved. So that's for me, so I will pass to Johnny on.
Okay, the conclusion is the matrix has numerous applications in daily life and various fields. Here are some key examples. Computer graphic matrix are used to perform transformation such as scaling, rotation, and translation of image. This is essential in video game, simulation, and computer-aided design. Data management in database matrix help organize and analyze data efficiently, especially in spreadsheet where data is often arranged in tabular form. Economics and finance metrics are used in portfolio management, risk analysis, and optimization problems to model and solve complex financial scenarios. Cryptography in securing communication metrics are used in encoding and decoding information. Engineering in civil, mechanical, and electrical engineering metrics are used to analyze stress, model system, and solve differential equation related to physical system. Network theory metrics help in analyzing and designing networks such as computer networks, social networks, and transportation system. Machine learning metrics are fundamental in algorithm use training models, data manipulation, and statistical analysis. Navigation system metrics are used in GPS technology and other navigation systems to process and transform geographical data. This application demonstrates how metrics are integral to solving practical problems and enhancing technological processes in various aspects of daily life in industry. Thank you. That's all from us. I hope Madam can understand what we say.